Hey all, what's up? How was the day? I hope you all are taking part in the household activities. Each of us should help one another in these hard times when we have no scope to go anywhere. At the same time, the burden should not be on one person doing all the work. Whatever work it may be, let us help each other and let us stay with peace and let us be happy and let us be optimistic even in the hardest and the darkest hour, right? With this note, this is Vidya. Thanks for joining me today in this second module. Fine? Dear students, so what is that we were discussing yesterday? Yes, we were talking about yes, article writing. All right. So let's quickly recap. Okay, let's quickly recall what was our previous module. Okay, we were doing article writing. Okay, we were doing article writing. And what are articles? Articles are a piece of writing which are objective in nature. They can be a reaction to something, or they can be because of a lot of research and still you want to convey something. There may be hundreds of reasons for writing an article. You can choose your own subject, your own topic of interest. Okay, this is what we have discussed yesterday. And in the previous module, we have also seen the format of an article, right? How to write an article? Do you all remember? What is the first step that we have to do? Article has a very simple format, right? The first and foremost is a very good catchy heading. Not more than 3 to 5 words, right? Even if it is one word, good enough, no problem at all. But it's always advisable to have a catchy heading. Okay. Well, I was telling the format, right? So in the format, the title, and to the right corner, you have the name of the article writer. Okay. In my previous video, maybe because I was always to the left, I may have by mistake must have given you left, but dear students, be very careful. Okay, so title, then to the right corner you have to write your name, and then comes the body of the article. Okay, the introductory paragraph, descriptive paragraph, the conclusive paragraph. Okay, so make your articles effective. You will get idea about the topics only when you have general knowledge. Improve your general knowledge and by reading newspapers, by watching news channels. Okay, I'm sure you will be able to write good articles with great practice. Okay, so once again I'm reminding, do not forget, write your name to the right corner of your paper. Okay, so the title here, and which one will be here? See here, if I am writing like this, my right side corner will be this one. Okay, not to the left. Am I clear? Right. Articles in the Hindu newspaper, Times newspaper, or any other, India Today, or any other newspaper. So when you see them, the first thing that you observe is a good heading followed by the writer's name. And then there may be 2 paragraphs, 3 paragraphs, or at times even 5 paragraphs. But as a student of grade 8, what is our target? We are now learning article. First, our interest. We just started how to write. We are still learning, in the process of learning. So let us all keep it very simple. Okay, simple and short always wins heart. really remember this. What is it? Simple and short wins heart. Okay. One thing is, when you write lengthy, as I told you yesterday, the reader may not show interest. Okay. Yes, there may be very few readers who take interest if the subject is related to them. Okay. But when we want to convey some message through our article, our aim should be the maximum amount of people reading it. Right? Yes or no? Okay. So, let us go back to the format once again. First is the catchy heading, followed by the writer's name to the left corner. Okay. And then the introduction paragraph. Introduction paragraph can be just 2 to 3 lines, and then in the main body, first introduction followed by second descriptive paragraph where the main content, where the various facts that you want to bring in should be there, and finally you are ending with a conclusion. Okay, right. So in today's module, what is that I want to tell you? Okay, what is that I have more, what is that one thing that is missing in yesterday's or previous module? I wanted to give you few more tips which will help. Okay, we think article writing is easy, but when we put our pen on the paper, then we find it very difficult. Okay, so the best article writers, I must say, are the best readers. Okay, we need to read. You should be a voracious reader. Then only you will be able to get those vocabulary. Then only you will be able to frame sentences. Then only you can use phrases, idioms, quotations, and references. All of this is possible when you have great command over the language. Okay, this is not definitely a one-day's job. If you are starting from grade 8, then day 1 onwards, make sure you're reading good books, good novels, newspaper. Newspaper helps tremendously. This is always neglected. This is not always ignored. But my dear students, I want you to read newspapers as much as possible. Even if you're getting 10 minutes of time every day, pick a newspaper, and whatever column it may be, whichever column it may be. Sports is your interest, go for sports. Okay, if movies are your interest, go for it. Or politics is your interest, just read all the main subheadings and what's going on around the world. Okay, there are hundreds of new vocabulary every day coming up. Okay, English, the one beauty of English language is that it is so very flexible and adaptable. Okay, it adapts any word around the world, from any part of the world. Okay, many of our Indian words are part of English dictionary now. You all know this better. Okay, so when you read, then only you will be able to produce a good quality article. Fine? Good. So, my question to you is, have you read an article before? Did you ever try reading it? Try remembering some articles that you have read. Discuss with your parents the best articles that they have read. Okay, as your mother, they can be in their own language, in your own mother tongue. There is no problem at all. But article writing in any language has its own beauty. Okay, why? Because you are giving your reaction to something, you are referring to various things that are going around, and you are trying to give an impact, and you want an impact. That's the reason you are writing the article, right? Good research always helps. Don't think that it is only for the CBSE exam that we are focusing. Okay, exams are important. Scoring good marks is also very, very important. No doubt about it. But as a passionate teacher, I would say that one must learn this skill for lifetime. that they can do this anytime in the world, whatever profession they may take up. Okay, fine. So I have given some ideas of this. So now let us see what will be the topics in general. What kind of topics do we choose, or what kind of topics are given in an exam, or in general, how do people write articles? When I talk about this only, you'll be able to get some idea, right? Okay. So there is definitely wide variety of topics. I'm just quoting few of them. Fine. So very, very common in India, you find whenever there is a heavy rainfall, okay, you find the roads are damaged. Okay, for whatever reasons may be. It may be because they are not properly laid, or it can be because the rain was too heavy, or the system, there is some fault with the system and all of this. But if you want to write an article on the bad condition of your roads after the rain falls, about the pit holes and all of that, you can write a wonderful article by taking the pictures of those path holes and then writing your own impression, writing your own reaction on that. That will be wonderful, and you can bring it to the notice of many people around. Okay, then articles are also written on general social causes. There may be so many social issues happening around you. It can be bullying, it can be gender bias, it can be anything. Okay, so if you are an emotional and sensitive person, you find that we need to take more care about the street dogs. Okay, that can also be one of the topics that you can choose to. But why only negativity, and why only problems that we need to talk? Not necessarily. You can also write an article on beauty. Okay, so you can also write an article on the festivals of your own region. Okay, how do you like them? How different are they from the other festivals around the world? Right? You can write an article on a good book that you have read. Fine. So many things. So do not just rely on the few examples that are there in your workbook or the one that teacher gives you. Okay, just close your eyes, think about any topic that comes to your mind, and then just start jotting down the thoughts. Okay, yes, fine. So before I conclude, let me give you few final tips for article writing. Are you all listening carefully? I doubt. Be attentive. Okay, right. Then the final tips, one important thing is that clarity. What you want to convey, there should be some good reason. Okay, when you have clarity in your mind, clarity will be there even in your article, in your flow of thoughts. Okay, list all your ideas on a paper first. Okay, even in the exam. Okay, if the article is for 5 marks, 1.5 is for your format, and the rest of the marks will be for the content. Okay, so on a rough page, you can jot down your ideas and start framing them one by one with some good clarity. Keep it short and simple. Okay, second and foremost tip. And then do not forget the two important things, the heading and then the punchy lines. Include some idioms, include phrases, good phrases, proverbs, anecdotes, and all of this. They all are like ornaments, as I told you yesterday. They just add beauty to whatever you are doing. Okay, whatever you are writing. So you should work on this seriously, and at the same time, it's not about verbosity that we are trying to get. Okay, what do I mean by that? It is not that you are going to show your vocabulary here and there by using all kinds of new words and all. So that will confuse the reader. Use them appropriately. Okay? Try to keep it simple so that a common reader can also read. At the same time, use good vocabulary when and where it is needed. Fine, children? Okay? So try writing some good articles. Yesterday, the previous module, I have asked you to do some two articles as homework. One is learning from home. How is it different from learning from the schools and other places? And are you missing the school? Okay, missing the school. These two topics. So I'm sure you must have really done well and explored on this topic. Okay? And be active even when we are writing something. Never be lazy. Okay? Life should be lived actively. We're all active learners, active writers, active listeners, active speakers, active readers. Then anything is possible. Okay? I forgot to mention a few more interesting topics like even cooking. So even on the basis of the good tasty food that you eat, need not be review, but you can write an article on over the time how cooking and recipes have changed. Okay, even that can be an interesting topic. All of these things you can try and work on. Okay, so dear children, try writing some good articles and enjoy writing. That is very important. Thank you.